pots and pans, bits and pieces, and the magic from the hand of making weird signs. Oh, things I've never seen before. Behind bolted doors, turning an imagination. Weird science. Not what teachers said to do.
Without further ado, we're going to start with our first group, our Wearable Home Automation Framework group.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? Nice. We have nice weather outside. We're not freezing, and it's almost the end of the semester, which is really cool too. So today I would like to share with you our project, and it is called Automation On. With myself, Sydney Hardwick, Eduardo Villanueva, Bart Dwork, and Olivia Minton. So what is our project? We focused on, oh, sure.
So we're changing the program up a bit. We're going to start our presentation with a quick demo. We're going to actually brew you guys some coffee. So we're going to show you how our project works. Then we're going to do a full demonstration. While we're talking about our project, you can smell coffee and get hungry. Sound good?
So as we wait for our lovely coffee to brew, Trader Joe's finest, let's talk about home automation. Home automation is here for us to create a easier living environment. When you are on the couch watching your TV or getting ready for work and you're upstairs, you want to get that coffee brewed nice and ready for you to come home or go downstairs, get prepared for work. So using our wearable technology, Samsung wearable technology, Samsung Live, you would say, look up, as you're getting ready, you would look up and say, Google, make me coffee, or make me coffee, really into using the voice recognition part of the technology. And as you saw, it would trigger through Raspberry Pi an on switch, and your coffee maker would click on. So cool, right?
So like Sydney said, we're using Android Wear and Moto 360. And what's the point of it? Honestly, it's just to make things happen without putting a lot of effort into it. Like for example, when you get text messages, you have to take out your phone. You have to open it, unlock it. It becomes inefficient. What do? You look at your watch, it's right there. That's simple as that. So why can't we do that with turning off the lights, turning them on? Or just simply, if you're out in your car, oh, you want your house to be warm before you walk in? Turn it on, it's already warm. And like she said, we're gonna use voice recognition. So you don't even have to touch your watch anymore. You just simply tell it what to do, it does it for you. It's like a small butler in your hand, if you want to take it that way. And then connects into your server. So you could have many things, not just one or two, many. So it becomes basically you have a big computer at home. So voice recognition is the next thing.
All right, so the portion of the project that I worked on was mostly the voice recognition on Android Wear. And as we showed in our demo, you can just speak to your watch using sort of natural language, like natural phrases that you might say to someone who is preparing coffee for you or something, make me a cup of coffee, or turn on the lights, or something very simple like that. And interpreting that, it'll, accordingly use the addressing within the home automation server to trigger the the proper relay, connect it up to your home appliances or something. But the API that we created for the home automation server can be accessed in lots of different ways. Voice recognition is just one of them. That was just a pretty neat demo that we figured, it would have sort of like a futuristic feel to it. We wanted to go for that Star Trek kind of feeling of it, like tea, Earl Grey, hot. So we could also use like a smartphone app, a web application, or pretty much any other like internet connected device to issue commands to our home automation server. It's just a general purpose API.
All right, so the portion of the project that I was working on was the actual device itself, and the way it works is it uses a Raspberry Pi as the primary server, and basically it also uses the LAMP stack on there, so Linux Apache, as the web server. So it is very open. You can make requests via a web browser, you can make an app to make requests, you can make requests through the internet. As long as it's a digital request, it can parse it, and you can even program it in ways to go ahead and use different forms of making requests. But the idea behind our project really is, ours is more of a prototype for a full home automation system. It controls the power that's on top of the box, but really the box is supposed to go in your in where all of your power goes to your house. You'd wire up all your electronics there, and you can control various things in your house. So whatever is hooked up to the power there, whether it be a lamp, a coffee maker, your washer, dryer, really anything that is controlled by power, you can control it using this box. And our box demonstrates that. Here's a quick schematic here of how it works. The Pi itself joins to your home wireless network, so it is very open. As long as you configure it, it will join to your home wireless network. Then it controls relay switch. The one we have in our box is an 8-way relay, so you can control up to 8 different devices. And you can do other things too. In our example, it's a power outlet, but you can hook it up to a switch so you can turn your lights on and off. You can control anything. And whatever's plugged in that power outlet will be controlled. And we already did our demo, so hopefully by now our coffee is ready, and we will be accepting questions after the presentation. Thank you.
Fantasy and microchips.